What is Nomad? A simple and flexible scheduler and orchestrator to deploy and manage containers and non-containerized applications across on-prem and clouds at scale. Nomad is a container orchestration tool that allows organizations to manage and deploy applications across a distributed infrastructure. It provides a simple and flexible platform for deploying and managing containers, virtual machines, and other workloads on a variety of platforms, including public cloud, private cloud, and on-premises data centers. Nomad supports multiple operating systems and container runtimes, including Docker, RKT, and LXC. It also includes a scheduler that enables users to define policies for how and where workloads are deployed, ensuring that applications are distributed across the infrastructure in a way that maximizes performance and availability. One of the key features of Nomad is its ability to support mixed workloads, allowing users to run both containerized and non-containerized applications side by side. This makes it a versatile solution for organizations that need to manage a variety of workloads across their infrastructure. Nomad also includes features for managing infrastructure as code, including support for declarative configurations and version control. This allows users to automate the deployment and management of their infrastructure, making it easier to scale and manage applications as their needs evolve. Nomad is widely adopted and used in production by PagerDuty, Target, Citadel, Trivago, SAP, Pandora, Roblox, eBay, Deluxe Entertainment, and more. Key features. Deploy containers and legacy applications. Nomad's flexibility as an orchestrator enables an organization to run containers, legacy, and batch applications together on the same infrastructure. Nomad brings core orchestration benefits to legacy applications without needing to containerize via pluggable task drivers. Simple and reliable. Nomad runs as a single binary and is entirely self-contained, combining resource management and scheduling into a single system. Nomad does not require any external services for storage or coordination. Nomad automatically handles application, node, and driver failures. Nomad is distributed and resilient, using leader election and state replication to provide high availability in the event of failures. Device plugins and GPU support. Nomad offers built-in support for GPU workloads such as machine learning, ML, and artificial intelligence, AI. Nomad uses device plugins to automatically detect and utilize resources from hardware devices such as GPU, FPGAs, and TPUs. Federation for multi-region. Nomad has native support for multi-region federation. This built-in capability allows multiple clusters to be linked together, which in turn enables developers to deploy jobs to any cluster in any region. Federation also enables automatic replication of ACL policies, namespaces, resource quotas, and Sentinel policies across all clusters. Proven scalability. Nomad is optimistically concurrent, which increases throughput and reduces latency for workloads. Nomad has been proven to scale to clusters of 10K plus nodes in real-world production environments. HashiCorp ecosystem. Nomad integrates seamlessly with Terraform, Consul, Vault for provisioning, service discovery, and secrets management. Nomad use cases. Container orchestration. Nomad is a popular choice for managing containerized workloads, thanks to its flexibility and support for multiple container runtimes. It can help organizations manage the deployment, scaling, and lifecycle of their containers, while ensuring high availability and optimal resource utilization. Batch processing. Nomad's support for both long-running and short-lived workloads makes it well-suited for batch processing use cases. It can help organizations process large volumes of data and automate routine tasks, while ensuring that resources are used efficiently. Microservices. Nomad's support for mixed workloads and flexible scheduling policies makes it a good choice for managing microservices-based applications. It can help organizations deploy and manage their microservices across a distributed infrastructure, while ensuring high availability and optimal performance. Edge computing. Nomad's ability to run workloads across a variety of platforms, including edge devices, makes it well-suited for edge computing use cases. It can help organizations deploy and manage workloads on the edge, closer to end users, while ensuring low latency and high availability. Hybrid cloud. Nomad's support for multiple cloud providers and on-premises data centers makes it a good choice for managing hybrid cloud environments. It can help organizations deploy and manage workloads across a distributed infrastructure, regardless of where they are running, while ensuring high availability and optimal resource utilization.